We were replacing the wide truck's headlights and taillights because we were practically blind at night. So we scoured the internet and landed on these Spec-D headlights, and for the taillights, we just kept them stock. It's going to take a little bit of restoring and installing, but eventually we'll be ready to ride. Here we go. First, we're going to take these pins out to take the main headlight out. On this bottom headlight right here, you're going to have a clip on the bottom to push in and pull it straight out. Now that we got the new headlights in, we're going to put in the taillights. We just got finished with the headlights and taillights. Now I'm going to show you the finished product. That is it for me, and the white truck is ready to get on the open road. Hope you all have a great day. Live life to the fullest. Jesus loves you. Videos every other weekend. Live life to the fullest. Krantz out here.